Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use beta-alanine. Beta-alanine is a non-essential amino acid, meaning your body can produce it, but supplementing can offer benefits. It's crucial for producing carnosine, a molecule that buffers acid in your muscles. This buffering action helps delay fatigue, allowing you to push harder and longer during intense workouts. Understanding its role is the first step to effectively incorporating it into your routine for better performance. For optimal results, aim for a daily intake of 2 to 5 grams of beta-alanine. Many users benefit from a loading phase, taking 4 to 6 grams per day for about 4 weeks to saturate muscle carnosine stores. You don't need to take it immediately before your workout. Consistency is key. Splitting your daily dose into smaller amounts, like 1 to 2 grams, can help manage any potential side effects, making it more comfortable to use. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this video and learning something new, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us create more content like this. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh and clean. You can find the link to grab yours, along with other awesome deals, right in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. The most common side effect of beta-alanine is paresthesia, a harmless tingling sensation on the skin, often felt on the face, neck, or hands. While it can be surprising, it's not dangerous and usually subsides as your body adjusts. To minimize this, try taking smaller doses, perhaps 1 gram at a time, spread throughout the day. You can also look for sustained-release beta-alanine products, which release the supplement more slowly, reducing the intensity of the tingling. Beta-alanine works well on its own, but it can also be effectively stacked with other supplements for synergistic benefits. A popular combination is with creatine, as both enhance athletic performance through different mechanisms, leading to improved strength and power. Pairing it with caffeine can also boost focus and endurance. Always remember to stay well hydrated when incorporating multiple supplements into your routine to support overall health and maximize their effects.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.